This elegant colonial with an attached 4+ car garage is situated on a beautiful corner lot measuring just under 2 acres. The elegant front entrance welcomes you into this magnificent home with gleaming hardwood floors throughout. Entertain in the front living room or step through the French doors and enjoy a meal together with friends and family in the formal dining room. The kitchen with granite countertops has new stainless steel appliances and a center island. Spend some time unwinding by the fireplace in the cozy den. Completing the first floor is a convenient half bath. On the second floor is the primary suite with a private ensuite bath. 2 additional bedrooms are on this level, along with a second full bath and a bonus room that could be converted into a home office. The finished lower level provides the perfect spot for a home theater or rec room. One of the unique features of the property is a separate first-floor in-law suite with a kitchen, a full bath, and a private laundry. From the main house and in-law suite, you can access the oversized deck from which you can enjoy views of the wooded backyard. Take care of all your shopping needs at the crossing at Smithfield or purchase local goods at one of the nearby farms. Spend the day outdoors at one of the golf courses in the area or visit the Blackstone Gorge. This home is conveniently located close to the interstate, providing easy trips to and from downtown Providence. For more information, please visit the property website or call Jim Nispel at area code 401-692-2915.